our Panjim city is becoming a smart city. Okay, lot many, as I said, lot many laborers are working. We have seen that some laborers also are chewing pan and other such products. So, I mean, just one is a different type. But if it was really grown somewhere, then definitely it is a matter of a concern. But I look at it in a different way. If you just find one shrub,
No, madam, it is many plant. Many
7 to 8
plant
times
we found such things.
no, नाही एकच नाही बरोबर आहे.
different
पण
places
at
वेगळे-
different places one or two. If it is at one place grown like paddy field, yes, it is a concern. It
बट
is a
अशी सुद्धा एक सुद्धा जावप मॅडम कन्सर्न न्ही कित्याक सांग आतां पणजेन पयलीं काय नाशिल्लें अशें
आणि पियेतात अशें जाता म्हणजे थंय बसतात आणि पियेतात आनी सिडलिंग्स उडयतात जाल्यार जाता अशें जावंक शकता.
we will have to check upon that. It is not proper for me directly to speak
Okay.
without getting. But looking at that one shrub, okay, it is only that we have this smart city coming up, and in this only it is happening presently. One coming here and there. So we have workers coming from other states. So we know when these mostly these workers, I need not name the states, then it will be singularizing the state. So these people are in habit, and we have got so many people with ganja, and ganja is the major seizure in the state of Goa.